Welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the holy Rebbe Elimelech from Lezhensk in the sacred Hasidic volume Noam Elimelech. This week's Parshas Terumah. In the book of Exodus chapter 25 we read, V'yichli Terumah, take from me an offering. Literally something that's lifted up is what Terumah. It comes from the word tarum, to lift up. The Rebbe Elimelech says that when a saint wishes to explain something from the Torah, some verse in the Bible, it's like what he does is that when he begins to speak, something mystical happens, that he is actually shaking the roots of that Bible verse, and so therefore the explanation comes to him from that root of that verse. And this is specifically when he speaks to a fellow tzaddik, to a fellow saint, and he's generous in his heart to listen to him. So therefore his word is not disconnected from that root. And therefore he's able to draw down the explanation, the commentary from that root. Because everything in holiness needs to have two archetypes, the masculine archetype and the feminine archetype, which is the giving archetype and the receiving archetype. But if he wants to speak and his fellow is not generous to listen to him, then there's a disconnection in the word. And that's what it means, take from me an offering, which is something that's lifted up. What does it mean? It means to say, Terumah, this that is lifted up, that you lift up the explanation that comes from the supernal higher world. Tikhuli l'shmi, take from me. Rashi says, for me means for my name. Dainu l'shma, meaning for its own sake. For Amar Kosov, and the scripture says, and the scripture is explaining to us homiletically, when are you able to lift up this explanation from the higher world, to remove it, to bring it to us? It's interesting, it's from the higher world, but it's lifted up to us. It's from any man whose heart is generous. That when you're speaking to a saint whose heart is generous, to listen. And this is easy to understand. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.